My good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. We don't come your screen with breaking news. We don't come back again with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside this our green country, will be Nigeria. You know, say the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, which is Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, he meets with leaders from Ogoni land, will be the oil-rich Niger Delta area of this our green country, Nigeria. But this meeting, my good people, is not just about our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the leaders from Ogoni. No be only them did the meeting. The Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, will be Wike, instant answer present for this meeting. And the Governor of Rivers State, will be Siminalayi Fubara, he also plaster. And I even lead the delegation of Ogoni leaders to Aso Rock. And not be small thing like this, so my good people. You know, say Ogoni matter still dey fresh for the memory of many country people who sabi how drinking water plus plants and farmlands plus even rivers be sour for Ogoni land inside Niger Delta sake of crude oil pollution since 1958. And now since the year 1993, now they stop the exploration of oil for inside Ogoni. And even some activists go jail on top the matter, while some people collect RIP by hanging sake of say dem dey demand cleanup of the area. Now, based on this meeting wey happen between the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, plus the leaders of Ogoni land, plus the Governor of Rivers State, wey be Siminalayi Fubara, plus the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, wey be Wike, and others, the presidential spokesperson, wey be Bayo Onanuga, come drop statement about the matter. In a con the yarn for inside the statement, say our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey assure the leaders of Ogoni land, say this in administration go prioritize peace, go prioritize justice and sustainable development for the area. He say they cannot in any way rewrite the history, but what they fit do now to correct some anomalies of the past going forward. They no go fit heal the wounds if they continue to be angry at all. Then our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu can direct the National Security Advisor, will be Malam Nuhu Ribadu, to make him coordinate the negotiations, and they call for inclusive consultation and mutual understanding. Then our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu constantly give accolade to the delegation for embracing the federal government-led dialogue. Our President constantly direct ministers plus the NNPCL and the Rivers State government to cooperate with the Office of the National Security Advisor to achieve this mandate. According to how talk take come aside from our President Matt, he said they must work together with mutual trust. So make the leaders of Ogoni land go back home and make them do more consultations and make them embrace others, because they must make this trip worthwhile by bringing peace, bringing development and a clean environment back to Ogoni land. And our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu constantly yarn, say na great honor for him now to get this meeting. And this meeting now don become opportunity to dialogue with the people of Ogoni land. Then he constantly yarn they give the leaders from Ogoni land, say it has been many years since their children and himself partner to resist military dictatorship in this our green country, will be Nigeria. And nobody been dream am before say na him go sit down for chair as president of the country. But we thank God, and many of their sons now already present here, they were his friends and co-travelers in the streets of Nigeria, Europe and America. So he know what to do in memory of their beloved ones, so that their sacrifices no go be in vain. Then after our President yarn all those levels finish, the Governor of Rivers State, will be Siminalayi Fubara, he can thank our President for his support of the Ogoni people and for welcoming an all-inclusive representation of the people to the presidential villa. And according to the Rivers State Governor, the meeting now follow up to an assignment where the president give them through the National Security Advisor. Then according to how talk take come aside from Sir Siminalayi Fubara Matt, he say what they do now to concretize the love and respect we dem get for the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for being behind this meeting, and for him now to come tell them to go back and continue the consultations with a timeline so that the resumption of oil production for inside Ogoni land could start. Then after Sir Siminalayi Fubara yarn all these levels finish, the National Security Advisor, will be Nuhu Ribadu, can take turns in commending Ogoni people, especially for their trust in our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And according to how the talk take come aside from Malam Ribadu Mat, he say guided by the vision of our President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that every voice is heard and every interest is considered. His office plus the office of the Department of State Services will be DSS plus the government of Rivers State and the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, they don't embark on a diligent and consultative process to assemble this delegation. And he said the presence of this delegation na testament of the readiness of Ogoni people to engage constructively in the pursuit of peace, justice, and sustainable development. These my good people now the details of how the meeting they waka. Meanwhile, based on the things and things we don't go on for inside Ogoni land before, some concerned civil organizations they demand say make Nigerian government allocate $1 trillion for the cleanup of the Niger Delta and compensation for lost livelihoods. The group also consider demand other things from the government before crude oil production go fit resume for Ogoni land. One stakeholder we no want make we talk in name con dey yarn say he know very well say the private meeting wey dey sup for inside Aso Rock na to discuss the resumption of oil production for Ogoni land, but the group dey condemn the plan to resume oil production for Ogoni land o. For inside one statement like that wey the group made available to Tori people, they con dey yarn say this administration suppose call for stakeholder meeting for Ogoni land so they go fit lis ten to the problem of the people and agree on how they fit go tackle poverty with the loss of livelihood wey the pollution bin cause. They say the livelihoods and health of the Ogoni people don suffer immeasurably with no substantial accountability from the oil industry or adequate redress from the government. They con dey sama warning say resuming oil production without addressing past injustice go only deepen mistrust between the government, oil companies, and local communities. So my good people, now they believe say as the leaders of Ogoni land now don hear wetin our president talk, say make dem go do some kind consultations, you understand? When the Ogoni leaders come back, they fit lis ten to wetin this group dey yarn. So when dem come finish, they fit go back go tell our president say see wetin dey sup o, before this thing go gas resume, see wetin the gas do, the gas break cola give Ogoni people so that their mind go calm down. My good people, this na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say now we be Anointed Lady TV and our hobby now to dey give on a legit intel on the things and things wey dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this our update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to our channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news they come, then go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp. And they come inside the game with other news for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.